Hello, my name is Rafael Jermison. I am the owner of Stamper Signings. We're a nationwide mobile notary service that specializes in notarizing estate planning documents. And the purpose of this video today is to show estate planning law firms how we're able to make their life easier by helping them be hands off with locating notaries for their estate plan signings. Up until estate planning law firms are aware of us or even find us, their normal process for locating a notary is either the attorney, the legal assistant, or their team is responsible for locating them by either going to Google, Bing, Yelp, or pretty much any other search engine platform to locate a notary for their signing. And if you're an attorney who's handling multiple estate planning cases per week, you really don't have that time to spend trying to locate a notary for your signing. And this is where we're able to come in and make your life a little bit easier. We use a scheduling software called Calendly. And what this software allows us to do is be able to create a personalized link for you, the attorney, and this is going to give you access to our scheduling page. So that means you would no longer have to make a phone call, go on Google, Yelp, Thumbtack, or any other platform to locate a notary. You would just get access to our scheduling page. You would choose a day and time that was best for your client, and we would receive that notification of a signing that was scheduled, and we would proceed with locating a preferred notary to handle that signing. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on what it will look like if you were to get access to our scheduling page. So let's say, for example, we have a client. His name is John Doe, and the name of his firm is called John Doe Law. And we created a personalized link for him to get access. So he may have a signing, an estate plan signing that he wants to book on the 6th. And his client, his client may say, I want the signing to take place at 8 a.m. I have an early flight that I got to catch. I want to get this taken care of right away. No problem. So we select the signing for 8 a.m. And what this and the next step is there's going to be a few questions that we would need answered, so that way we have as much information as possible, so that way we can know more about how to service the client. So first we're going to need the signer's name, and let's say the signer name is Jane Doe. We're then going to need her email. And the reason why we're going to need her email is because we want to make sure that she is aware that she has an estate plan signing coming up. And once the signing is scheduled, she's going to get the notifications, and she's going to get a constant reminder via email and also via text, so that way she doesn't forget. So we're going to put janedoe@gmail.com. And as the attorney or legal assistant, whoever's scheduling the signing, you can add yourself as a guest as well. So that way, not only is Stamper Signings, the signer and yourself are all aware that this signing has been scheduled and is going to take place. So we're going to put John Doe Law@gmail.com. And then what we would need is the client's phone number. So we're going to put the signer's phone number. That way we have that information on file. And then what we need to, the most important part is we need to know the location of where the signing is going to take place. Because that way we can know to get a preferred notary in that location of where the signing is taking place. So we're going to get a notary for 123 Main Street. This is going to take place in Anytown, California, 95698. And then the next question is, we got to know what type of signing this is. Is this going to be for a single signer? Is this going to be for a couple? Is this an amendment only signing? Is it just for a power of attorney package? Is it just for a will? Or do you just need a witness only? But let's say it's just Jane Doe. She's the only single signer. We're going to select this option. And typically with estate plan signings, we know they usually come with the will, and depending on what state your signer is in or your client is in, multiple documents may require a witness. So one of the questions that we ask is whether the signer will provide a witness. If she's able to provide one, excellent. She's going to provide one. If not, we're able to provide the witness for your client. We also need to know, do we need to print documents? Some of our clients require us to print. Some of our clients just send a binder to their client, and the only thing we need to do is just show up and sign. And another important piece that we need to know is, does your client have a valid and unexpired ID, driver license, or a U.S. passport? And if she has that, which we're assuming she does, we're going to proceed with saying yes. And this last question, any additional information to help guide your notarization? This could be if your client lives in an area that requires that has a gate code, or if it's security at the front, or if they may have pets. So if we need information like if we need to scan anything back, mail anything back, that information is going to help us. So that way we know how to best proceed and service your client moving forward. And then we need to send a text message for a reminder so that way the client is aware that their signing is going to come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then once you have all that information filled out, you're going to schedule the event. And once you schedule the event, because you added yourself as a guest and you added your client's phone number, you added their email address, they're going to receive the notification, and we'll receive it on our end. Now, as you can see, that took less than a minute to get done, right? So this is what we mean by when we say we want to make our client's life a little bit easier. Because if you are, depending on where area you're in, it could be a task with trying to find a notary for your signing. They may not answer the phone. There may be a conflict of time. It just may be conflict all the way, and that could be a headache. Here, that's no headache when working with us. We give you that personalized link. We get you access to our scheduling page. You schedule signings, whatever you need them, and we handle the rest. So if you're a estate planning law firm and you want to learn more about our services and what we could do to help your team, reach out to us today to book a discovery call so that way we can learn more about your needs and how to help out moving forward. And again, if you want it done right the first time, call us the first time. Thank you and have a blessed day.